GoCardless is cutting 20% of its workforce as part of a plan to achieve profitability within 2 years. The UK Fintech reported a 50% reduction in net losses, down to £35.1 million for the year ending June. The layoffs and outsourcing of back-office roles are expected to save £11.7 million in employee costs and reduce operating losses by £43.6 million. This follows a 17% workforce reduction in June 2023 and the recent acquisition of NuaPay, which expands GoCardless payment capabilities. Backed by Alphabet's GV and Excel, GoCardless aims to streamline operations and drive growth. Subscribe to TheFinRate for latest news and updates from the fintech world. Thanks for watching.